For years, STEMCO has served all of your wheel end component needs. Our automatic brake adjuster offers patented features not available from the competition. In addition, the STEMCO TQM program provides brake foundation and installation training so you can increase brake life and minimize total cost of ownership. This video will instruct you on proper brake installation. The next step is to install the STEMCO Crewson automatic brake adjuster. Remove the existing clevis, but do not remove the jam nut. The pushrod threads may need cleaning and should receive a coating of anti-seize. Thread the STEMCO Crewson clevis onto the pushrod and install the 1/2-inch clevis pin. Do not tighten jam nut. Slide the STEMCO Crewson installation template over the spline and swing the template into the clevis until the appropriate slot totally engages the 1/2-inch clevis pin. Once the template has been swung into place, install the 1/4-inch clevis pin. If the 1/4-inch clevis pin does not slide freely into the clevis and template, remove the template from the clevis. Rotate the clevis clockwise or counterclockwise several turns and reinstall the template into the clevis. Position the clevis on the pushrod so that both clevis pins fit freely into the template. If the pushrod threads extend through the clevis more than 1/16 of an inch, remove the clevis and cut the rod to length. A minimum of 1/2 inch of pushrod engagement in the clevis body is required. If this is not the case, install a new pushrod and cut to length. Tighten jam nut to a minimum of 50 foot-pounds of torque. Remove both clevis pins and template. Before installing the STEMCO Crewson automatic brake adjuster, apply anti-seize to the S-cam spline and install the automatic brake adjuster. Using a ratchet and 7/16-inch socket, manually rotate the adjuster shaft clockwise until the automatic brake adjuster arm holes align with the clevis holes. Now, insert the clevis pins into the auto check holes. The clevis pin heads should face the front of auto check. Auto check is non-handed and can be installed on either the right or left side of the automatic brake adjuster. Auto check is designed to face the center of the vehicle. Insert the clevis pins with the pointer into the clevis and automatic brake adjuster and install your cotter pins. Also, install washers and snap ring at this point. Additional shims may be required to properly center the brake adjuster with the pushrod. Using the ratchet and 7/16-inch socket, manually rotate the adjuster shaft clockwise until the brake shoes contact the drum. Next, manually rotate the adjuster shaft counterclockwise 1/2 a turn to allow rotation of the drum. During back-off, a ratcheting sound is normal. Build up the vehicle air pressure to 90 to 100 psi. Fully apply and release the brake several times to check for adequate clearance to all the components. Measure the distance from the air chamber to the center of the 1/2-inch clevis pin. Fully apply the brakes with 90 to 100 psi vehicle pressure and remeasure the distance to the 1/2-inch pin. The automatic brake adjuster should never have to be manually adjusted while in service. The only time it should be manually adjusted is during installation or brake reline. The proper way of checking an automatic brake adjuster and the foundation brake to see if they are working within specification is to measure the working stroke. Be sure and uncage the spring brake if present. For proper installation of other automatic brake adjusters, please refer to the specific manufacturer's installation guidelines. Let's review the proper installation and adjustment procedure. Slide drum onto studs and apply brake to center the drum on the hub and tighten the drum to the hub. Replace the old clevis with a new STEMCO Crewson clevis and determine the proper setup position using the supplied template. Install the STEMCO Crewson automatic brake adjuster and use the manual adjusting hex to position the automatic brake adjuster in the clevis. Uncage the spring brake and manually rotate the adjuster to the specified stroke according to CVSA specifications. Refer to manufacturer's instructions for other automatic brake adjuster installations. Following these simple steps ensures a complete and thorough brake reline, resulting in lower cost and safer operation of your fleet.